Top common Tesla issues and how to fix them. All right, Tesla fam. Even with all the amazing tech and performance, Teslas can experience some common issues now and then. Let's go over some of the most frequent ones and how to fix them so you can stay on the road without a hitch. 1. Battery degradation. Issue. Over time, the battery can lose some of its capacity, reducing range. Fix. While battery degradation is normal, you can slow it down by avoiding charging to 100% regularly and keeping your charge between 20% and 80% for everyday driving. If you're experiencing rapid degradation, it's worth contacting Tesla for a battery health check or replacement under warranty if needed. 2. Autopilot or full self-driving FSD issues. Issue. Some drivers have experienced autopilot glitches, like failure to engage or disengaging unexpectedly. Fix. First, make sure your car's software is up to date. If the issue persists, perform a soft reset by holding down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset, turning the car off completely and waiting a few minutes before restarting. If the problem continues, contact Tesla for a diagnostic check. 3. Door handle malfunctions. Issue. The famous retractable door handles may not pop out or can get stuck. Fix. If your handles aren't popping out, it could be a malfunction of the motor or the handle mechanism. Try gently tapping the handle to see if it releases. If not, a simple reset by turning the car off and on might help. If that doesn't work, Tesla may need to replace the door handles or motors. 4. Screen and touchscreen issues. Issue. The main touchscreen might freeze, glitch, or become unresponsive. Fix. A soft reset can usually fix this. Hold down both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds. If this doesn't resolve the issue, you may need to visit Tesla for a software update or even a screen replacement if it's a hardware problem. 5. Range anxiety. Issue. Sometimes your Tesla's range may seem lower than expected. Fix. First, check your driving style. Heavy acceleration, high speeds, or using climate control can impact range. If it's a sudden drop, ensure that there are no issues with tire pressure, alignment, or that the battery isn't too cold. For significant drops in range, you may need to have the battery checked at a service center. 6. Climate control problems. Issue. Air conditioning or heating might not work as efficiently, especially in colder weather. Fix. If the AC or heater isn't working properly, check if the system needs a reset by turning off the climate controls and restarting the car. If the issue persists, ensure that the cabin air filter isn't clogged or needs replacement. 7. Tire wear and alignment. Issue. Uneven tire wear can happen if the alignment is off, especially with Tesla's instant torque delivery. Fix. Make sure your tires are rotated every 10,000 to 12,000 miles and check tire pressure regularly. If you notice uneven wear, visit a service center to check the alignment. 8. Charging issues. Issue. Charging problems may arise, such as a slow charge or no charge at all. Fix. If charging is slow, ensure you're using the correct charger type and that your power source is delivering adequate voltage. If charging stops completely, try resetting the charging port and cleaning it. For persistent issues, a service visit might be needed to check the battery or charging system. 9. Over-the-OTA updates not installing. Issue. Sometimes, updates don't install as expected or fail to download. Fix. Ensure your car is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If the update is stuck, you can try restarting the car by holding down the 2 scroll wheels. If that doesn't work, try initiating the update manually from the settings menu. 10. Suspension noises. Issue. Some Tesla owners report clunking or squeaking noises from the suspension. Fix. Check for any debris or objects stuck in the undercarriage. If the noise persists, it's a good idea to have the suspension inspected at a service center, as it could be related to worn-out components or misalignment. Bottom line. While Teslas are generally reliable, knowing how to troubleshoot common issues can save you time and stress. If these fixes don't work, don't hesitate to contact Tesla support or schedule a service appointment. And be sure to check out the link in the description to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further.